Wait, don't scroll past this. These two FHA loan programs can help you buy a home with a low down payment and even fix it up using one loan. Most first-time buyers have never heard of them, but they should. Let's break down exactly how they work. FHA offers two powerful loan options, the 203B and the 203K. The 203B is your standard FHA loan, perfect for move-in-ready homes. The 203K is the renovation version, letting you finance the home and the repairs inside a single mortgage. And for first-time buyers, this is a game changer. In today's market, move-in-ready homes might be too expensive, and affordable homes often need work. That's where these programs shine. The 203B helps you get into a home with a small down payment and flexible credit guidelines. The 203K lets you turn a fixer-upper into a place you actually love, without juggling multiple loans, contractors, or financing plans. So when do these loans show up in the real world? You'll run into these programs if you're buying your first home, or looking at homes that need repairs, or maybe wanting to roll renovation costs into your mortgage, or needing flexible credit and income guidelines. Remember, the 203B are move-in-ready homes. The 203K are homes that need upgrades, from simple cosmetic fixes to major structural work. But let's clear up a few myths, because a lot of buyers misunderstand these. Many buyers think the 203K is only for big, expensive renovations. Not true. There's even a limited version for smaller projects like flooring, paint, appliances, roofing, HVAC. Another myth? That FHA loans require perfect credit. Absolutely not. FHA was created to help buyers who are still building credit and savings. Let me show you how this plays out in real life. Imagine you find a home in the perfect neighborhood. Right price, great layout, but the kitchen is outdated, the floors are worn, and the bathrooms need upgrades. With a 203K loan, you can buy the home and finance the repairs, all within one mortgage, one loan, one payment, and a finished home that finally feels like yours. Here's what that means for you. The 203B helps you buy a move-in-ready home, and the 203K helps you transform a fixer into the home that fits your life. Both give first-time buyers real flexibility and real affordability. If you want to learn which FHA option fits your situation, just reach out. We will walk you through it step by step. And before you go, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the strategies that make homeownership possible. And when you're ready for real guidance, call 561-8981-008. Let's get you into a home you love.